Hey guys, I wanted to show you a quick video with KITT's auto cruise. I'm going to have him pull out of the garage and into the driveway. So he'll pull out of park into drive and he'll stop right about there if all goes well. If it doesn't, he'll go crashing into that house over there. So let's not hope for that. Let's go talk to him. KITT.
Yo, what is a frog?
Start up and move.
Okay, but stand back.
Okay, well, good job, buddy. Good job.
Was it supposed to be funny?
Haha. He didn't pull out as far as I wanted him to, but you get the idea. It's just a matter of messing with the programming a little bit more, but that's all him. I don't have the remote control in my hand or anything, so as you can see, the remote control is right there. Shut down. Remote control's right there, so it wasn't anything, nobody's remote controlling it anywhere. That's all voice command, and he moves on his own. So this has been about a year in the making, but I'm pretty stoked about it. The GPS coordinates are not 100% accurate, so he was supposed to move like right around here somewhere. But I will do another video soon showing a better test of this.